Good morning, fourth grade. Here's our second example video of how to solve our work. So we're going to continue today with combined rectangles. We've already worked on finding the area of combined rectangles, which we did a great job of separating the rectangles by drawing lines. Today is going to be a little bit different because we're going to have to find the length of a missing side to find the area. So that'll be our second step. So our first step, if you look over here, is the same as it was the other day when we did combined rectangles area. Draw a line or lines to create rectangles. So I look at this shape. I do notice I'm not going to be able to create two rectangles, so it's going to have to be three. Now, I could draw a line going this way and this way. I could draw a line going this way or that way. There's really no correct way to do it as long as you create different rectangles. Now, the way that I'm going to do it is I'm going to draw a line right here and a line right here. Now I have 1, 2, 3 rectangles. So now I need to find the missing length. So where are my missing lengths? The way we're going to do this is you're going to look at every length until you find where one is missing or multiple could be missing. So if I look here, I see this is labeled 6 centimeters. This is labeled 8 centimeters. This is labeled 5 centimeters, so still no missing. This is labeled 2 centimeters. This is labeled 3. Ooh, right here I see, I'm just going to put a little line so I don't have to find that, is missing. So I need to find this length. This one's labeled, this one's labeled. Okay, so we only have to find one missing length. Now this is how we are going to do that. I see that this length of the rectangle is 8 centimeters. Now I know because of opposite sides, that means that this length of the rectangle must also be 8 centimeters. So if I know this whole line is 8 centimeters, but remember, I'm only looking for from here to here. I only want to know this length of the rectangle. So I'll look down here and I see, well, if this is 2 centimeters, then that must be 2 centimeters. So I can write that in. 2. I know that's 2 centimeters. If that's 2 centimeters, that must be 2 centimeters. Now, again, I know this whole line is 8 centimeters. So if I have 2 centimeters and 2 centimeters, that means that I already have 4 centimeters. So I know that 8 minus 4 equals 4. So this line right here must be 4 centimeters. Now the way that I did that was we used opposite sides. If I know this length is 8 centimeters, then this entire length must be 8 centimeters as well. Again, I'm only looking for my length right here that's missing because I created these lines to help me, but I'm only looking for the missing length that we weren't given right here. So I used opposite sides to know that this entire length was 8 centimeters. And then I used opposite sides to know this part was 2, to know this part was 2. And again, I knew the whole total had to be 8. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 8 minus 4 will equal 4. And I know that this length is 4 centimeters. Now I'm going to post another video on how to find the area of the entire shape.